Feedme Smart is a professional nutrition and fitness software for the development of diet and fitness training plans, for meals and fitness planning and monitoring, shopping list draw up, advanced registering, monitoring and reporting your client's progress. The uniqueness of this software allows not only the ability to provide nutritional guidance to your customers, but also a recommended video exercise routine all in one application. The login activity may be activated online by creating an account on the feedmesmart.com website. You may connect to the cloud web application with your username and password supplied by email when your account is created. Your web account is totally customized by using your own logo and brand colors. If in the nutrition office, the fitness center, the sport club or the medical practice work several professionals, the software will give you the possibility to create an account for each with the option to handle strictly the personal patients, clients or the entire database. The client's registration consists of a filling in of a simplified medical history questionnaire and the selection of the most adequate nutrition plan for the diets conceived by dietarian doctors and nutritionists, thus resulting a customized plan, shopping list, caloric daily objective and a weight control aim, configured in your client's web cloud account. Also, to create an exercise plan and a new routine, it's easy by defined duration, exercise types, and numbers of sets. You can draw your own recommendation by recording new food, develop your own recipes, develop your own diet plans, and record your own videos with fitness exercises. New for this year is the teleconference quick link feature available on Feedme Smart. This allows your customers to join a teleconference session with ease. The new teleconference quick link can be configured with the conference service you choose or by default access our most popular totally free. The credentials of that account are sent to the end user who has thus the possibility to install the Feedme Smart application, available both on Google Play and on iTunes. The nutritional and weight management objectives include the calories daily demand, the target weight, the BMI index, the macronutrients ratios, and other factors which are important to general health and to building up or to the maintenance of nutritional and weight control habits. Once you have connected to the web cloud application, customized with the name you choose upon the account creation, you may fill in additional details to your clients' profiles. You may edit nutrition plans. You may follow up on their registration related to meals and physical exercises, and you may generate a series of reports. For each action in the web cloud account, there is a video announcement which explains in detail its functionality. The improvement of your client/patient's objectives is supported by the synchronization of the smartwatch-type mobile devices of calories control, Fitbit and Apple Watch, with the client's profile, having the activities daily updated and synchronized with the diet plan. Important mention: monitoring your client's activities, the modification of the nutrition or exercise plan is done in real time.